Back to the big story from the national capital, the serious allegations being levelled by Swati Maliwal, the Aam Aadmi Party Rajya Sabha MP. Another reaction coming in from the BJP. This is Rajiv Chandrasekhar, who has attacked the Aam Aadmi Party over Swati Maliwal's allegations, says, and I quote, AAP and Kejriwal are fast outdoing Rahul Gandhi's Congress. First, looting public money and lies, then hypocrisy and U-turns, and now violence against women MPs. Question mark. Don't forget, this is the same Kejriwal who also assaulted the Chief Secretary IS officer. So instances from the past are being cited by the BJP, and not the first such BJP reaction coming in. Anshul continues to stay on with us. The BJP asking the Aam Aadmi Party to break its silence, also saying this is not just a party neck deep in corruption, it's also an anti-women's party, Anshul.
Well, definitely, this has given a lot of ammunition for the Bharatiya Janata Party to actually go ahead and attack the Aam Aadmi Party. Because remember, the Aam Aadmi Party was continuously defending itself since the time initially when Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal was actually arrested by the Enforcement Directorate. The BJP had constantly been attacking them, and since the time the Delhi Chief Minister was allowed to walk out from the Tihar jail cells to campaign for the campaign out here in the national capital, the Aam Aadmi Party seemed to have gotten a new breath of hope, where we saw that how over the last 2 days the Delhi Chief Minister has continuously been on the ground raising allegations against the Bharatiya Janata Party. They had that ammunition, they had that sympathy factor with them. But now, something like this happening inside the CM residence, where a Rajya Sabha woman MP being assaulted by the PS of the Delhi Chief Minister, or a very, very close aide of the Delhi Chief Minister, has given a massive ammunition to the Bharatiya Janata Party to go ahead and attack them. And that is what we are seeing happening. Not only the Delhi unit of the BJP has started attacking the Aam Aadmi Party, but also the central leadership of the BJP is also now slowly coming on record and is now raising questions on the Aam Aadmi Party. It has been more than 3 hours, more than 2 hours now since the PCR call was made, and probably for the last hour and a half, or probably more than that, we have been reporting on this continuously, and still we have not seen any sort of reaction coming in from the Aam Aadmi Party. This actually makes us suspect somewhere or the other that the Aam Aadmi Party is actually trying to curtail the situation, and that is the reason why we are seeing that the Delhi police is also now not coming on record and commenting anything on this. What sources in the Delhi police have confirmed to us that they had received 2 PCR calls. PCR teams went to the CM residence. Swati Maliwal was not found there, and at approximately 11 AM, Swati Maliwal came here at the Civil Lines Police Station, where she refused to give a complaint and walked away from here. Since then, we have been trying to contact Swati Maliwal as well, but we still haven't received any official comment from her side as well. So yes, it remains to be seen when will Swati Maliwal finally come on record and tell as to what happened inside the CM residence this morning, and tell as to why did she make that PCR call. All these questions needs to be answered from the side of Swati Maliwal. A written complaint needs to be given from the side of Swati Maliwal for the Delhi police to take any sort of action in this entire matter. When will that happen? That is the million-dollar question.
Many thanks for that, Anshul. Stay on with us. I'll come back to you in just a bit. Like I said, the BJP is going to be holding a press conference in just a bit, raising this issue, asking the Aam Aadmi Party to break its silence. Already a host of reactions coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party. Let's quickly listen in.
जानती हूँ इनके आपसी रिश्ते एक दूसरे के साथ क्या हैं, इनके क्या इनर डायनामिक्स हैं, और कैसे ये रिश्ते बदलते रहते हैं, कितना इन लोगों के एक दूसरे के खिलाफ, एक दूसरे पर कितना शक है और कितना संदेह है, ये भी मैं जानती हूँ। ये पहली बार हुआ नहीं है। आप सब लोगों को याद होगा 2018 में पूर्व मुख्य सचिव अंशु प्रकाश के साथ कैसे मारपीट हुई, वो भी चीफ मिनिस्टर के बंगलों में हुई, उनके घर पर हुई। अरविंद केजरीवाल ने उसमें भी झूठ बोला कि ऐसा हुआ ही नहीं है, अंशु प्रकाश झूठ बोल रहे हैं। लेकिन प्रकाश जारवाल और अमानतुल्ला खान, इनके 2 MLAs पर केस चला और चार्जशीट भी हुए दोनों। तो हम सब जानते हैं कि इस पार्टी में किस तरह से क्या कुछ होता रहता है और इनके आपसी रिश्ते कैसे बदलते रहते हैं। जहाँ तक बात है विभव की, विभव का काम ही यही है कि लोगों को परेशान करे, बदतमीजी करे, उनको जलील करे। मैं जानती हूँ कि मैं खुद भुगती हूँ। नहायत ही बदतमीज किस्म का वो आदमी है, बदमाश किस्म का, और कुछ भी संभव है इस पार्टी में।
With that, it's time for us to head into a very short breather. We'll be right back with lots more on the other side. You're watching CNN.